If Gemini and Google Assistant are completely deactivated on your Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro, if you want to re-enable them, if you want to once again be able to use the Gemini or Google Assistant, then the first thing that you can do is you can open the Gemini app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. So once we go to Gemini, you can find this turn on button, which we're going to use, of course. Then choose that you want to use Gemini in the bottom right corner. And then, of course, Gemini is re-enabled. And if you prefer to use Google Assistant instead, you can tap on this Google account here in the upper right corner, and then go to switch to Google Assistant, and of course, confirm your switch. Besides that, you can activate the power button shortcut, which is of course by default available on this phone. So if you want to be able to press and hold the power button to activate the Gemini or Google Assistant, then we can open the settings, scroll down in here and go to special features. Then you want to go to gestures, and in here we have a press and hold power button. Now we can of course choose digital assistant. And also another gesture that is available in here that allows you to activate the Gemini is the swipe gesture, but only for gesture navigation. So if we go to navigation mode in the gestures setting, then in here, if we have the gesture navigation, then you can tap on this setting here, and we can enable this option, swipe to invoke the assistant. So we can swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner to activate the Gemini. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.